Prior to AGI, I worked at a small repair company about a stone's throw away from where I lived. And I left there because it was only piecework, so I'd get paid based on what I repaired. There were days I'd walk out of there with $100, there were days I'd walk out of there with nothing. At my previous job, I did do iPad repairs and I did iPhone repairs, but there wasn't consistent work, so I wasn't making enough money to truly live on. I was initially a little nervous, but also excited because I come from that background. But even though I came from that background, whenever I started learning, they were teaching me a completely different process. So it actually would have been easier had I not come from that background. The production bonuses are great because they make you feel like your work is appreciated. A lot of places you work at, and you see people go in there, they do the bare minimum, just enough to get by, but the production bonuses make you truly be at the top of your game. Actually, yeah. I'll be right back. Okay. I started doing the MacBook repairs around mid-2016. It was around early 2017 to mid-2018 that I really started getting good at it. I wore the belt to my cousin's wedding. Do it. I look forward to the competition. You learn what you need to learn. The only thing I would add is that working here doesn't feel like work. When you enjoy what you do, you never work a day in your life. My name is Josh Keith, and I'm an AGI repair technician.